Advanced Healthcare Partners is a leading healthcare management and consulting company that focuses on increasing revenues through a strategic approach with sales, marketing, and financial strategies for high potential, forward-thinking healthcare practices, platforms, and concepts. There are a few things that truly differentiate AHP's business model from other healthcare management models out there. First, AHP focuses on strategic partnerships with the industry-leading thought leaders, which have a proven ability to create and operate advanced business platforms for healthcare efficiency and effectiveness. Through this approach, AHP is changing the business of healthcare. Let's talk about this integrated business model that AHP focuses on for all of its clients. First, when you think about traditional healthcare, you think about confusing, fragmented, and somewhat duplicative systems. This is confusing for the consumer as well as the healthcare professional and operator. AHP focuses on a singular approach called focus centers that allows organizations to implement a practice that makes perfect strategy, which leads to a dynamically aligned management team, highly efficient, and integrated business models. Additionally, this leads to a superior financial result. At AHP, it is our mission to create a new standard of healthcare by providing our partners a strategic business platform that delivers the highest level of quality care for customers and for patients. Some of the partnerships that AHP has are those within our local community, such as local universities and establishments for a healthcare perspective, as well as a variety of healthcare and financial organizations worldwide in order to deliver a strategic portfolio that helps all of our clients and their establishment of future success. So, who are our clients? AHP focuses on business strategy. It is our goal to first understand the client, understand their environment, market, and goals. We then work to devise and execute a business strategy to gain significant market share and in turn help its patients and customers receive the highest level of service and medical outcomes. One of the services provided by AHP within its verticals is sales and marketing strategy as well as execution. AHP focuses on creating a multi-pronged marketing strategy to optimize both our operations and yours. We accomplish this by working with a number of different marketing channels. In addition, we integrate a diversified sales model in order to help maximize overall patient satisfaction and conversion rate. This is done with a series of multi-touches and high customer service, which integrates and correlates with our proprietary tracking system, allowing our clients to work with and manage existing and future patients. AHP then focuses on financial strategies. AHP will first align the financial aspect of the treatment, product, or procedure portfolio with the revenue goals of the client while paying close attention to the bottom line as well. Our significant experience in pricing strategy, sensitivity testing, volume goal setting, and alignment with volume aspirations has resulted in the growth of our partners' revenue and income. AHP's capital partners, such as LCG Capital, may also be used to encourage the growth of our clients from a geographic and strategic perspective. Next, AHP then focuses on the clinic operations. What is preached over the phone is put into practice when patients arrive. AHP focuses on clinic operational efficiencies. AHP then develops, modifies, implements, and manages the operations process and patient delivery system that results in the highest level of quality care for customers as well as those medical professionals. After we've set an integrated platform to help your sales and marketing functions operate efficiently with your financial strategies, and now that your facility is operating not just up to par, but on a high level, we now focus the majority of our clients on the ability to develop both geographically and organically. AHP will set a strategic expansion model that essentially consists of a full delivery scope of service, which includes a feasibility analysis, coordinating marketing analysis, pro forma cost analysis, design and building team structure and development, PM controls, along with land planning and site development. Advanced Healthcare Partners implements our full scope of expertise and our direct approach through the following services: property operations, accounting, cost controls and reporting, lease administration, financial planning and budgeting, operational controls, personnel management, and risk value analysis. The integration of our construction services is crucial to the success of every project. While we do not claim to be construction managers, we have access to, by way of contract, construction professionals and contractors that help with the expansion and development of the actual physical properties as well. Now we'll delve into legal support and risk management. The core of AHP's operations are the sales, marketing, operations, and expansion services. AHP can also offer access to legal and risk management support as a portion of the integrative business model. Staffing strategies. While we believe it's important to make sure the right strategies are put into place from a business perspective, we also believe in making sure we have the right level of staffing. We also believe that one of the most important and critical elements of your organization is to make sure that you have the right people at the highest level of competency who are motivated to make your facility successful. AHP will find the right people to help build and implement your sales, marketing, management, and operational strategy. Through meticulous instruction of our systems and values and continual training on industry standards and best practices, we can help build a team that pushes your organization performance to new levels. A core part of Advanced Healthcare Partners operations are our marketing services. AHP works on a fully diversified and multi-pronged marketing strategy, which allows us to focus on a number of core elements such as web development and optimization, online and offline marketing, as well as traditional marketing. We utilize online marketing, which includes organic and SEO efforts. Our ability is not only to build and manage, but to effectively execute and modify online pay-per-click advertisements. From an offline perspective, we always make sure to take a well-rounded approach utilizing newspaper, radio, television, and direct mail. We also assist clients in the production and development of effective TV commercials. From a website development perspective, AHP can create a fully customized design and generate a high-quality strategy for your website content. Specifically, website engineering is conducted on an ongoing basis, such as the integration of an e-commerce portion for those that find it necessary. From an SEO perspective, AHP has an internal team that develops a unique quality content as well as internal and external link building strategy. We also perform blog creation, meta tag utilization, and provide our clients with detailed analytic reports showing how the campaign is performing. AHP's marketing team also does a full integrated social media and marketing management campaign. This includes business to consumer and business to business customized social media strategy. We include content sharing metrics and engagement in all of our analytics. This includes coverage on platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms as they come about. From a brand management perspective, AHP believes in building and positioning your brand to help you become the leader. Strategy, design, and implementation for your brand management includes creation of brand manuals and brand consistency across your entire platform. In addition, we perform reputation management to make sure that you are being portrayed as accurately as you can be in the eyes of the public. Collateral development. AHP has an internal graphic design team who is and can be responsible for all sales presentations, brochures, folders, signage, electronic newsletters, direct mail, and any other type of collateral development that may be necessary to help make sure to portray the best image of your operation. AHP also has an internal media buying team that can do effective development of ads, placement, and purchase, as well as price negotiations. This includes media buying in all of our online and offline channels. From an offline advertising strategy development perspective, we do all of the concept creation development of your offline advertising, as well as integration with your online to make sure you have the appropriate presence and tracking for each of your campaigns. Offline advertising and campaign monitoring. We believe it's important to develop at the start the most effective campaign. We also believe it's important to monitor it. AHP has a proprietary tracking system that allows us to monitor the effectiveness of each marketing campaign. This includes organic offline and online marketing tactics, customized pay-per-click campaigns, and to make sure that we're tracking appropriately, our full analytics suite that reports measured traffic and conversions. AHP also engages in event and conference marketing. We believe that for the appropriate operation, there are certain events and conferences that you should be part of. We'll make sure that you generate the right business-to-business traffic respective to your organization. Let's transition into sales. One of the quote-unquote secret sauces of the AHP operation is the fact that we have an integrated sales and marketing practice. The sales process is not just a traditional call center, but imagine when a patient calls in and they are effectively followed up with, educated very deeply about the operation, as well as the potential medical treatment that they would receive, and when they walk into the door of your operation, they are fully prepared and understand the ins and outs of the operation, as well as the expectations before, during, and after any procedure or treatment takes place. AHP offers training for all call center and sales employees. In addition, the Telesales Center has a software template that allows us to track the overall effectiveness of your operation and the sales platform, as well as the lead qualification and screening process that allows us to effectively understand the ins and outs of the respective marketing campaigns and which ones are working effectively from a qualification perspective. We take the same level of care as well with a customer follow-up and nurturing process that allows us to maximize conversion rate of any potential patient that would go through your procedure. We call these employees the patient coordinators, and they are responsible for managing the entire patient acquisition process and the scheduling, as well as all post-op and follow-up to make sure we are effectively nurturing any patient that was brought through your door. This then integrates into our lead tracking system, which allows us to measure conversion rate, cost per lead, cost per acquisition, as well as making sure we have consistent follow-ups. We do this to make sure that the nurturing process is performed as efficiently and effectively as possible. In summary, we focus specifically on 3 core elements within our operation. First is sales. We are effectively working with our marketing channels to make sure that each of our sales strategies are working effectively for your organization so you can optimize volume from a patient perspective as well as from a product sales perspective. The next is marketing. AHP serves as the Chief Marketing Officer while bringing in its team of knowledgeable marketers and designers to ensure your operations are as effective as they can be from a marketing perspective. Third is our overall management service, which incorporates all of the expansion and financial strategies that we covered previously. Thank you for your time in learning more about the Advanced Healthcare Partners business model. We look forward to speaking with you further about how we can help you reach your goals.